Hi, my name is Jutta and today I will show you how to make a simple stripes pattern in Procreate. Let's start with a canvas of any size. Mine here is 2000 by 2400 pixels. Go to the wrench tool, Canvas and enable Drawing Guide. Tap Edit Drawing Guide and set grid size to 200 pixels. Tap Done. Fill the canvas with any color you like. Add a new layer. Go to the Selection tool and switch to Rectangle. Select one row of the grid and fill it with a contrasting color. It is very important to use the Selection tool instead of drawing a line. Procreate is not 100% exact when it is about the stroke thickness, and we need the stripes to be equal throughout to not have any weird things happening when the edges meet. Duplicate this layer 3 more times and spread the stripes evenly, always letting 2 rows of the grid empty. Turn off Drawing Guide. Merge all 4 stripes layers together. Mark both layers and group them. Duplicate this group 4 more times. Go to the topmost group. Tap the Move tool and make sure snapping is enabled. Grab one corner node and move to the center until the yellow lines appear. Proceed the same way with the remaining layers. Let's check in the center if we worked accurately. And yes, we did! How simple was that? You can use this method to create simple or more elaborated stripe patterns or even plaids. We only need to keep in mind to use the Rectangle Selection tool instead of drawing our lines manually to have our ends meet perfectly. As always, I hope you'll give this a try and you'll show your stripy patterns on social media. Don't forget to tag me in your post that I will be able to find your art and feature it in my stories. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to not miss any of my future videos. And of course, don't forget to like this video and share it with all your creative friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!